Welcome back to the channel. Today is August the 9th, 2025, and we are in Huber Heights, Ohio at BUC-EE'S construction site.
We're standing on Arts Road, which is across the street from the construction site, and as you can see, Sonia's wearing the appropriate t-shirt today. As Sonia said, today's August 9th. It was 1 year ago yesterday, August 8th, that we were down here for the groundbreaking ceremony for the BUC-EE'S. Here we are a year later. It looks a whole lot different today than it did back then. And next year this time, we'll be making a video from inside the store.
Yes, we will.
We'll go ahead and put a couple clips from that groundbreaking ceremony in here, and I'll also add a link in the description so you can watch the full video if you want to.
1, 2, 3.
This is what the construction site looked like a year ago for the groundbreaking ceremony. It's a very hot day today. It's about 95, but there's no rain, there's no wind, so it's a good day to fly. Not a whole lot of changes from the drone, or that you can see from the drone. The roof, it's about 75% covered now with the white material, just a little bit left to go to finish that up. Behind the building, there's some grading work going on. We captured some of that with the drone. The exit ramp and State Route 235, you can see where some paving work has been done. The north fuel pump island, they've got the rebar laid down to put the concrete down for those gas pumps, so that's starting to move along pretty good. I'm sure there's a lot going on inside the building that we can't see, but that's gonna do it for today. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these BUC-EE'S construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Here's the retail store. You can see the progress made to the outside of the building in the last week. This is the north fuel pump island. You can see up here at the northernmost part of the island, some rebar's been laid down for the concrete. They're doing some grading work back here at the back of the property. Looks like they're trying to fill in this hole where the water's been collected. This is a look at the south parking lot and the south fuel pump island. You can see some temporary lights have been added to the site. This is State Route 235. You can see some of the paving work that's been taking place here as part of the road improvement. You can also see the entrance from State Route 235 into the Buc-ee's location. Got the curbs in place. This is the exit ramp, I-70 West, State Route 235. You can see a lot of progress has been made here in the last week.